So everyone's in here.
All right, good job, everyone. Taya, I will grab it. I believe I have it on Facebook. Let me see. I definitely have it in Discord.
Can you copy that link I played?
Yeah.
The internet connections.
All right, 1 second. I have. There we go. Here we go. I can get you more information if you want to. I have the whole thing. Oh yeah, and put the points. Got it. All right, I'll wait a couple minutes here. Let everyone come back.
Is Pepper still here? Yes, she is.
Yep.
Pepper, can I talk? Pepper.
Yes.
After class,
Yes.
can we play Roblox together? Do you have the time? Okay.
I'm with my rock.
I'm trying to
You can
study.
play my game. You can play my game.
The Rock. The Rock.
Yeah, but you can also play my game.
All right. Believe that's most people. I'll give it a couple more minutes here just in case.
Pepper, do you have a line?
What is a line?
It's an app that you use to chat to other people. Do you have it?
I don't have it. Actually.
Okay.
Why?
I use my mom's line.
Lie? You mean Lie, the app that you can chat to people, you can call to people?
Yes. And
Oh
you can
yeah,
even call.
I have that. I have.
All right. Before we get too far there,
I
I'm
have
afraid that people
Lie.
are gonna start sharing their personal information.
Okay.
In terms of like getting like phone numbers and stuff, do it over private chat, just so you don't leak anything important. On chat, you can like choose go into privately message. All right. Yeah, I'm sure everyone here is like it. Everyone here is fine, I'm sure. I'm just like,
That is me on the background. That is me.
Ooh.
I traveled and I got a picture. That's me. I'm eating a lemon.
All right. All right, we'll go ahead and continue here. I think JP unfortunately got lost. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. All right. Where is my? Give 1 moment. I need to find my replit. Where is it? There we go. All right.
Sir, I need to
Yep.
share your screen because mine does
Okay.
not do anything.
Yeah, go ahead.
Teacher, why my index? Teacher, can you get index for me?
Yeah.
Why my index? It cannot do in index. I need to backspace to strip
All right, yeah. Here's if you're talking about the little like thingamajigger. Hey everyone, let's not spam in chat here. I have the little part. Go ahead and delete line 13 and then add that in. Okay. To Indy. Oh, line 14. You have two M's. It's RANDOM, random. RANDOM. That should do it. Oh. It
It's
must
still
be
nothing.
one more thing. That pipe. Okay, line 33. Remove that right curly brace. There you go. All right.
Thank you.
Welcome. All right, we'll go ahead here, come back. Oh. All right, looks good. Okay. So now that we have the list of pipes built, we can go ahead and go, where is it? Let me look at my functions here. Okay, it's going to be a bit of code. Let's try it out here. I'm going to go below the game function. In fact, I'm just going to go to the very bottom here and then make a couple new lines. The very bottom. And I'm going to type let and then make pipes.
What are you doing here? Why aren't you out looking?
Let make pipes. I'm going to do capital P pipes. Let make capital P pipes. PIPES. And then equal sign function FUNCTION. Left parenthesis, outside parenthesis, left curly brace, enter, as we've always done.
Please paste the code into the chat.
And then inside the make pipes function, I'm going to write for FOR, left parenthesis, and then let space I equal sign 0. Let I equal 0, semicolon. I less than sign pipe lift, PIPE LIST, pipe lift, dot length, LENGTH, pipe lift dot length, semicolon, I plus plus.
Teacher, wait for me, please.
Okay. And final thing, outside parentheses, left curly brace, enter. And there you go. You have your for loop inside the make pipes function. And all this for loop does is it goes through each pipe object we have in that pipe list array. Basically, pipe list dot length will always be how many variables you have in your array. So in this case, we have 3 pipes in our array. So this would be 3, which means this for loop will run 3 times.
Teacher, what are you doing? I just rejoined.
We're just making this function right here. In fact, yeah, it's just let
What was
and then
the original for? The original for.
the original the code up here, you mean?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I was doing this part.
Right, okay. Here I will, let me see here. Okay, I'll leave it on this for a little bit. I'm going to go back to the earlier one a bit though. Um,
Can you slip down? I am still copying the code.
right, okay. Yeah, here, I'll put this part in chat. Here's the last code. I'll put it in
Teacher,
chat real
can-
quick. That way you can still see it. Then I'll go back here. That way other people can see this part. And yeah, the old part was just to create objects that will show where a pipe is.
I was copying.
All right. Yeah, I have the old code in chat. That way you can still see it. And I'll go back to it in a moment so other people can type in this part.
You want to hear a joke?
Yeah, go for it.
Some people may already know it because I like chatted in the chat. Okay, so how do you make one vanish?
How?
Just add a G and it's gone.
That's pretty good.
Another one is probably like, I was like, my friend and I were doing a project when he just suddenly said this. Hey, have you heard of the claustrophobic astronaut? I heard, poor guy, I heard he needed some space.
That's pretty good. All right, I'll go ahead and put the new code in chat. And then I'll go back to the old code for a moment. And then we can move on. And yeah, for anyone confused about this, it'll make more sense when in a bit when we use it. That way you can see what it actually does.
Teacher.
Yep.
Teacher, so I didn't get the second for. Why is there 2 4s?
Yeah. The first for loop is here in the right beneath the player variables. In fact, here, I will copy and chat again. The second for loop is down here. I made a whole new function at the very bottom. I made a function called a make pipes. Let make pipes equals a function, left parenthesis, outside parenthesis, left curly brace, enter. And then it has this little for loop right here. And this is just a for loop to go through the pipes in the pipe list. So up here we make the pipes, and then down here we go and look where each pipe is, and then we're about to draw them. All right, and go ahead and give me a done in chat if you're done. Right now, unfortunately, we're
Teacher,
setting some
I'm
stuff up that we can't see it,
confused.
but okay.
Find somebody. After doing some research.
Can I share screen?
Yeah, go ahead. Okay, I'm going to
So
stop my
is
share
class
for a moment.
officially over?
Oh no, not yet. That was just for because of Zoom. I had to end it, come back. All right. It looks like all you have is okay. So you see pipe list. Just before it, you have this like left curly brace. Just delete that left curly brace.
Teacher, I didn't.
There you go. That should work.
I didn't get the part with the pipe list. I didn't write it down yet. I forgot.
All right. It's up
I am
here.
Jack Sparrow.
No, not that pipe list part. The bottom one.
Oh, this part.
The new one.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Here, I'll paste it in chat and you can go ahead and look at it here. It's just a, give me one moment. It's just a make pipes function, a function called make pipes. And then a little for loop here, let I equals 0, I is less than pipe list dot length. This would be how many pipes are in the actual array, which is 3. And then I plus plus here. So we're going through the pipes in a pipe list.
Teacher, your sound is lagging.
Oh, okay. How is it right now?
It's better.
Okay, let me delete my other tab. That might help. I have so much stuff running right now. There we go. All right, we'll go ahead and move on here. Because we have
Jack
about
Sparrow.
10 minutes left. Let's go ahead. All right, let's make the actual tower finally. We will do fill. Oh, fill, F-I-L-L, left parenthesis, and then 0, space, 0, space, 200, space 0, semicolon at the end. Just making a nice little green here. Then we'll do a new line and we will write rect, left parenthesis, and then pipe list, P-I-P-E, capital L-I-S-T, and then square brace, I. This will be for the first run, it will be the first pipe in that little array we made. And then outside these square braces, we'll write dot X.
Can go in internet.
What?
You
Dot
can go
X,
in internet.
What?
You look for part.
Dot X is one of the variables we made in the pipe object. If you remember up here, we have X and we set to I being 200, then 400, then 600. So pipe list.x, comma space, same thing, pipe list, capital L list, square brace, I, outside the square braces, dot Y. We had pipe list I dot X and pipe list I dot Y. And then finishing it off, comma space 50 for the width. And for the height, we do something a bit special. We do comma space 400 minus pipe list square brace I, and then outside square braces dot Y.
Teacher, can you wait for me? I'm a little bit left behind.
Yep.
All I did is pipe list X. Yeah, I just do that.
And okay, oh, that's too far. And remember, it's pipe list square brace I dot X. And yeah, I'll just say semicolon at the end and make sure to have a semicolon. And we'll go ahead and wait a bit. If you read it, nothing happened yet. But in a moment, we will call pipes. We'll call make pipes, and then we'll be able to see what we have created. We'll go ahead and wait here a bit, and then we'll get to see. I will probably end the class after this. We'll see.
It's not Y.
Could you say that again?
In the end of this code, is it dot Y
Yes.
and
Yeah, pipe list.
semicolon?
Yep, semicolon at the very end. Yeah, it's pipe list I dot Y Our pipe list square
Okay.
braces I dot y.
Thank you.
Welcome. All right. And now
Supersonic.
we can go ahead. We have this code here. We can just go ahead and scroll all the way or a bit up in the let game function and just new line right after our move and say make capital P pipes MAKE capital PIPES
Teacher, can
left
you
parentheses
send?
semicolon at the end.
Teacher, can you send everything in the chat and wait
Teacher, I
for me?
didn't get
Yep.
the tower thing, the pipey thing.
All right. Just everyone
Wait,
make sure you call it, and yeah, I'll go back to here. But yeah, I'll run it, and now we
Teacher,
should
I
be able to
can't
see
the
some
make
pipes.
pipes.
I can't see the make pipes.
Oh, you can't?
You scroll down.
Do you not see it right now?
What?
Not that. I mean, go
Teacher,
up.
Oh,
what
Okay,
did you
thank you.
do? Pipes, right?
yeah, I just up here in let game, I just went make pipes left parentheses semicolon at the end. Just calling make pipes right here.
Okay, I'm done.
All right,
I'm done.
good job. I'm just gonna scroll back down to the function in case anyone.
Teacher,
why it's still, like,
going down for me? It's still going down.
That's because
Teacher,
the 5 people will always keep going down.
I see a white.
Can you scroll back up?
I see just
Yeah.
white.
I need to
I
check
see
the code.
just white. I see nothing, teacher.
Alright.
I see nothing. I run. the
Go
code. Can
ahead
I share
and
my
put your
screen?
code in chat. I'll let you share your screen in one moment.
Okay.
I just want everyone to be able to have a time to write the code.
Come on. See?
And Ka'al code looks good. Oh, Ka'al. Oh, wait. Oh, okay.
I posted the code in chat.
All right.
ไปเล่นไหมกำลังทำอยู่กระโดดกดสเปซบาร์
All right. So, okay. Pepper. Only like a couple little things. Okay. So Pepper, I'm going to scroll back down here to make pipes. On every time you use pipe list dot y, so these two times right here near the end, you forgot the e in pipe. So both times here with pipe list dot y, have it as pip. Make sure to add an e after that little pip. Oh, there we go.
Okay.
And also, I noticed you have a space at the very end here. You have square bracket I and then space dot y. You should not have a space. Should just be immediately dot y.
Okay.
And other than that, you're good. Good job.
Okay, why is my project blank? Can I share your screen?
Yeah, let me see real quick.
It's still a white triangle.
Oh, a triangle. Wow. Give me one more.
It's a white. There's nothing on the run.
All
Can I
right.
share my screen?
I would like to give 1 minute exactly for people to write the code if they need it, and then I will.
Teacher, my code it's wrong. It's still a white. It's still a white thing on my run.
All right, I'm going to now stop the share, and anyone who needs help can share their screen. So go ahead. All right. Okay.
Teacher,
Let me see.
teacher, can you copy all the code?
Yeah. Okay. For one thing, on line 53, you should have a semicolon at the end. That could be it. I doubt that's the only one, but and yeah, I'll copy the code in here.
Teacher, it's still a white.
All right,
Thank you.
go ahead and keep scrolling up for me, please. Oh, one other thing I found. Line 52.
52?
You have, line 52. You have pipe listed, but you don't have a capital L on the list.
Where's the
pipe-
capital L?
Yeah.
Oh,
There you go.
let me try.
Teacher, why we need to have capital L?
That is because when we made the variable, we
Oh.
added a capital L. And you don't have to make all the variables with a capital
Teacher,
letter, but if you do, you have to
a
make sure you
white-
keep the capital letter. Go ahead and scroll up for me then.
It's still okay.
Okay, make pipes looks good. Yeah, keep scrolling up there. Oh, okay. Line 13. Not sure how this happened, but you have on line 13 where you have X colon, you should have an I in there, nice semicolon. You have like colon and semicolon. Should be X colon and then I on line 13.
X colon and
Yeah,
I?
Yeah. Oh, see, you still have a semicolon there. Go ahead and delete the semicolon on line 13.
Teacher, I have a joke.
And then add a comma at the end.
Where's the wait?
Yeah,
the
add a comma. Yeah, right there.
Teacher.
And that should do it.
Is this?
Yep.
Let me try.
Sir, what is?
Oh,
Why is
thank
my
you.
game broken?
Welcome. All right.
Teacher, I have a joke. Why I don't see my yellow ball? I have a joke.
All right. Yeah, go on, tell it. Yeah. I always like joke.
Look, where's my What is that? A drink? A lemonade drink?
I don't know.
Supersonic.
Go
It's a
ahead
duck.
and scroll
It
up for me,
looks like-
Kumfuku.
It looks like a yellow camera.
Amazing
I think it's a
player, by
duck.
the way.
A flying duck.
Lemonade drink.
It's a leopard.
Lemonade
Always
drink.
Found
Lemonade.
first in hide and seek.
Lemonade.
One day the duck goes to the
Flappy
lemonade
bird.
stand.
Why? Oh, wow. You already got it.
Lemonade. Give me the lemonade.
Yeah, give me one
Lemonade,
moment.
nothing.
Lemonade.
Can I share my screen?
Grapes?
In a moment, I'm having someone else for a little bit.
Okay.
Line 59. You spelled a length wrong in pipe list.length. Should be GTH, not HT. Just swap those two, it should be good. There you go. All right. Given that
Teacher Queen, where's my ball?
okay. All right, here. I'm gonna go ahead and say that
Yeah.
I don't think we're gonna have time for the next part of this because that's like a big part. Here, let's go ahead. I'm gonna stop the share real quick. I'm gonna share my screen. Even if you have a problem, add this one thing, okay? Even if you have a problem, go ahead and go on your code and add this one thing because it should be pretty cool. On make pipes, make a couple new lines at the very end. Inside the for loop, remember, do
Teacher.
inside the for loop.
Teacher, where's my ball?
Give me one moment and I will help you out. I just want to add one line here so that we can end class, then I can help everyone out easily. So inside the for loop, we'll add this one line, we'll add pipe, capital L, lift, PIPE, capital LIFT, left square brace, I, dot, x minus equals 2 semicolon. That is the line. Now, if we run it, if we don't have prompt, we should see our pipes going left across the screen.
Can you copy the code off?
Yeah.
Sir, I cannot even see my code.
All right. So that is the line. I will wait about 1 minute here. Make sure everyone can see that line. Just that way we actually see we have actually created each of our little pipes. And if you notice, every time you rerun it, you get different pipes. That's because up here, we had a random generator for our height.
I never run before. Oh no.
All right, I'll wait 1 minute here and then.
Teacher.
Yep.
What is the like? Oh, it's like kind of like when it's like wait 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 3 pipes and it's gone, and the pipes are gone.
That's okay. Next class, we'll go ahead and make it the infinite loop. It's just a little bit of code, so this time I won't do it.
Moved by itself. It's moved by itself.
Yeah.
Just give me one fucking thing. Come on.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead here. I'm going to, it's not that much more code. Okay, little poll in chat here.
Where's my ball? Where's my ball?
Okay, I'll help you in. Yeah, let me go ahead. Okay, this is officially the end of the class.
Wait.
Oh
Teacher,
no,
wait.
I'm still gonna help everyone.
Bye.
Teacher, it has add up.
Yeah, basically, if you are done and you have like the code working well, you can now leave. Otherwise, if you have anything you need my help with or questions, I'm going to be here. And let's go ahead. I'm going to stop the share.
Bye.
Bye. Suey.
All right.
Teacher,
Give me 1 moment, India. I'm actually going to help Shinmer here.
Teacher.
Shinmer09. Go ahead and like zoom out a little bit so I can see your code.
No, wait. It will has airdrop.
Oh.
Look, teacher. 3, 2, 1, airdrop come. Airdrop.
All right. Oh, that looks good. Yeah. All right, good job. Okay.
Supersonic.
Teacher, why do I jump so high?
You might want to lower your variable there when you have like, was it
Oh wait,
player?
it's back to normal again.
All right.
Okay.
All right, Indy. Let me see here.
Teacher,
my problem. I have the exact same problem since the start of class.
All right.
Teacher, why it has
It
only 3
doesn't
green
go.
things? I want
It's not
more.
showing up. The
Shimmer,
gray box is just a gray box.
Shimmer,
The gray
I'll
box
add
is just a
more
gray
pipes
box.
late next
The
week.
gray box is just a gray box.
All right, I'll help you in 1 moment. I'm going to help Indy real quick. Indy, could you scroll down to the bottom of your code?
Teacher, can I go?
Yes, you can. Indy,
Okay.
line
Thank
55.
you. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Go on line 55 and make a new line right after it. And then add a right curly brace. Make sure to add a right curly brace. There you go. That should do it. Oh wait, actually, there's one more thing. Line 51, you have a pipes list instead of pipe list. There you go. That should do it. All right. Go ahead and scroll up for me.
I'm in Bangkok.
Teacher, there's a problem.
I'll give
So
you.
right now my code doesn't work.
I'll give you
code
one
doesn't work.
moment. I just want to help people in order here. I'll get to you right after Indy. Scroll down, Indy.
My code doesn't work.
Yeah, Indy, scroll all the way down. All right, Indy, I'm gonna have to get back to you. I may have to delegate that to a Facebook one. I'm not sure. Send me the link to your replit, Indy. That way I can like see it clearly. Cause I can't find what's wrong. All right, JP, go ahead. Let me look at your. Either send me the link to your replit, share screen, or put your code in chat.
The link.
All right.
This is my mom's line.
Oh, let's
send you
not.
my link.
Definitely not do that. Don't share any private information. Okay, Indy. Oh, wow. Is that my? Is my voice lagging to anyone?
No.
Okay.
It's a perfect.
Well,
voice.
yes, to
Stop
me,
Okay.
sharing
right?
a
No.
line.
Your voice is
Yeah. Indy, line 53, you need a T at the end of your rect. Yeah, you just have RC or REC, should be RECT. And JP, let me look here.
I think something's wrong with my code. Can you like check with the JScript, because I don't know. Because
Yeah. I believe yeah. On line 53, have you changed that? The REC should be
yes, I already
RECT.
changed.
Okay.
I already changed that.
All right, yeah, I can keep looking through it. Okay, let me look at. JP, for one thing, I noticed on make pipes. Here. Let me share my code real quick for JP. Look at that. Up here on the game, you have it like this, how like make pipe. You have like a lowercase p, make sure the capital P. I'm not sure, I think you have it, but you might not have the S at the end for make pipes. And then left parenthesis, outside parenthesis, semicolon.
what? I didn't make it a capital P for my function.
I'm
function
looking
is
at your code. I believe it is. Yeah, you have make pipes, capital P.
Come on. I don't want time.
Oh, also, JP, one more thing I noticed is that on your make pipes function, you have all the dot stuff inside the square braces. Like you have I dot X and then the square brace. Make sure you have like pipe list, left square brace, then right square brace.
I already fixed that part.
Oh, okay.
What am I supposed to do? Is class over?
Yes, if your code works, class is over. Good job. And
Bye.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye. Roblox.
Yeah, JP, maybe send your link again. I feel like I have an old link maybe. All right, Indy, I'm still looking at your. Okay, who else here?
Sonic? Hello.
Okay, I'm gonna reshare my link.
Glitchy again.
All right. Oh, I have less than a minute. Okay. I'm going to leave